Hi, I'm Steve Jones and I'm going to tell you how to write fractions. But just before I do that, I'd like to explain why we need fractions in the first place. One of the main reasons is because in the past we've had things like feet and inches and ounces and pounds, and they haven't been decimal. So it's always been easier to write them as a fraction than to write them as a decimal. For example, 1/16 is much easier than the decimal equivalent. So looking at this is a ruler, and let's say this is in inches. Well, here's the 0, and here's the 1. So in between the 0 and the 1, we have actually 16 divisions. Now, all we need to know is how many of those divisions are between the 0, where we put one end of our ruler, and the point where we're measuring to. Let's say here is the measuring point. So we're measuring to that point. So this is the distance we want from 0 to here. Well, it's very simple, because if we do it using fractions, we will do it using 16ths, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, another quarter, so that makes half, plus 2 more 16ths. So we've got 8, 9, 10 16ths. But of course, 10 16ths is not a nice number, and we should cancel, dividing both top and bottom by 2, and we will get 5/8. Now this 5/8 would be a common number used, for example, if you're a carpenter and you're measuring wood. He'll say, okay, I want wood of thickness 5/8 of an inch. He probably will say maybe, oh, I want 15 millimeters, but 5/8 is a much easier number for him to use, and that is why we use this. But 5/8, 10 16ths, because this is a proportion of the whole. Now, if we measure to a point further up, let's say this point, well, we know we've got one whole, plus this, of course, is a half here. So we know we have 1.5 inches. This represents inches. This is inches, 2 little strokes. So that would be 1.5 inches. And we can repeat this for all distances. Now, when we come to ounces and pounds, we know that there are 16 ounces to 1 pound. Now, therefore, 1 ounce is just 1 out of 16 in the pound. There are 16 of these ounces in the pound. So there are 16 ounces in the pound, and I just want one of them. So it's 1/16 of a pound. So when we're writing fractions, all we're doing is expressing how much of the whole the one we're looking at is.